Hello folks, I'm Jay Dizzini. I'm the director here at Konica Minolta's Client Engagement Center here at our corporate headquarters in Ramsey, New Jersey. And welcome to today's tour. Today I'm going to take you through and show you why this facility is important to you, our important dealers, and how your teams can use this facility as we move forward. I'm going to take you through a couple other spaces today that are designed for engagement, a way for us to work closely together either remotely or on site in a really cool high-tech space. So let's go upstairs to the workspace where I can show you a little bit about that. Welcome to the workspace. This is a highly interactive space that's been designed to incorporate collaboration and technology all in one. As you look around, you can see it's a very welcoming, warm space that we can bring your dealerships and your sales teams in here to hold interactive meetings together. It's full of technology that can handle content being pushed directly based on the direction of the meeting. We also can use the room as an interactive Zoom room so we can connect your teams together. This is just another example of a space that could be used through your partnership with Konica Minolta as one of our dealers. So let's go see what the rest of the facility has to offer. Welcome to the print shop. This is our 18,500 square foot production print facility. This houses most of our production and industrial print product line. It's a really amazing facility that gives us the ability to work closely with you, the dealership, your sales reps, and your customers on their production and industrial print needs. We hold live demonstrations here, virtual demonstrations. We will test your customers' files and provide proof samples. All day long, we're pushing these presses to get more out of them. We have several folks that you may see in the facility on a day like today, whether it's our CEC staff working for you and your dealership as well as your customers, or sales folks here testing files and driving really more output from these presses. It gives us the ability to work super close with the product marketing team housed at this facility so that we're capturing voice of customer, voice of field that we can deliver back for better products today and in the future. So we're gonna walk around and see a lot of it, but today I'm gonna start on our toner production area with our flagship C14000, a curio press. Now, as you can see, we've got all of our toner presses behind here so that we can really represent the entire lineup and really test to your customers' needs. But with the C14000, what we're offering you, the dealership and your customers, is a press that introduces a lot of automation. And this automation is available across all of our color presses. But we're gonna introduce things like the IQ 501 that will automatically give you that color consistency that you need, as well as lock in that oh so important registration. With a number of finishing options, we can really provide what the customer needs. And again, on that same strategy of automation, we have the TU510 that is also compatible across the lineup that provides automatic cutting and automatic solutions that your customer can do without as much hands-on as they had in the past. That's real automation. So, as I talk about automation, I do want to take one step over here and give you guys a sneak peek. This here is our AlphaJet. It's through our partnership with MGI, a long-time partnership. And this is really a product that incorporates everything we do in the facility using a factory 4.0 concept. And really what that means is we can print, embellish documents, and output all in one automated option on a railway that we call the O-ring. And when I say embellishment, I'm talking about adding varnish and foil that drives value and pop to our documents. We're gonna take a walk through the rest of the facility and talk a little bit more about that digital embellishment now. So come on with me. All right, here we are in our digital embellishment area of the print shop. So we're gonna show you some of the solutions we can offer to our customers here. But first, let's talk about what digital embellishment actually is. So digital embellishment is a way that we can take documents to the next level. Now, we just came from our toner production area where you saw how we have amazing output on our toner products, but how do we take those to the next level? How do we drive more pop and more value out of those documents? We do it by adding embellishments. And it can be as simple as a varnish that drives a sheen, or a varnish that causes texture, but we can add different colored foils to really drive that pop and that value out of these documents. And we do it through our embellishment-based portfolio. We start with our own Acurio Shine 101, and through our long-term technology partners, MGI, we offer many different solutions that can be really sized to our clients' needs. We can start with simply just having varnish-based embellishment, or move up to varnish and foil, or go to much larger web-based devices. So we really have the right solution for our clients' needs. So in our next step, let's take a look over at label and packaging and see what we can offer there. To my right here is our PKG 675. This is a packaging press that really gives our customer the convenience to hand load media in there to create boxes and packaging. They can buy pre-made, pre-cut boxes and run them through and then simply fold them, or they can run full sheets that they're cutting on another product and making those really custom, short-run boxes for their customers. So now let's look at what labeling offers as part of this. Labeling and packaging are areas that we've seen tremendous growth over the last couple of years. In fact, we know that the pandemic has changed what we have from packaging and shipping and labeling, but really the forecasts were there before this. This was going to be an important part of our industry no matter what. And we've got the right products and the right lineup for our customers. Even if it's short run, ink-based products like the PLS 475 and the finishing that goes with it, or our AL 230, a robust toner-based product that can produce beautiful labels that then can be finished on partner products like the GM Mini to create an application-ready label. This is an area we've seen tremendous growth and really proud of. So let's take a look at our wide format products to wrap up the tour of the facility. We'll head over there. Here we are at the last stop of our tour today. Behind me, we have our two wide format products, the Acurio Wide 200 and 160. And why that's important, we can offer options to our customer based on their size requirements or what they need to do from an ink configuration. We've got the right options for them. We're gonna take a look at some samples so we can really talk about what wide format means. It's not just large signs or billboards on the sign. It's really a way to introduce creative applications, things that you might not have thought of from a wide format product. And as you can see, I mentioned before, when you come to the CEC, you're gonna see our staff, the product marketing staff, working to produce the best samples and the best demos we can. In fact, Joe is working in pre-press files for one of our customers to make sure what we output is of the utmost quality. And when we talk about quality, you can see behind me some of the samples that you might not think about from a wide format sample. I mean, beautiful colors, different medias, but things as small as a garment tag with tremendous quality. This can be printed up on a big sheet with a ton of versions of it and then brought to a table to cut and really produce some amazing creative output. When I talk about how we produce this output, it's through our partnership with a company called Colex. This is a tremendous piece of equipment that really completes what we offer from wide format and really other presses in the facility, but a way to take that large media and cut it into final product. Whether it's products like, believe it or not, an acrylic ruler that was made for a trade show, that was printed on wide format with a ton of these lined up and then cut here, or finished products like boxes and packaging that can simply print many up and then cut down to size. I think you can see how creative these products can be, and really the only limitation is creativity. So that ends the tour today, and I really want to thank everybody for coming to see this tour, and we look forward to seeing you here live and working with you and your customers. Have a great day.